Hi, my name is Jude Sunja, a question document examiner. I will invite you here to request the standard document came for you. If it is not match the writing in the exemplars that I had to will be eliminated. As a person of interest in this case. If you agree, we can continue.
Yes, sir.
Let's start. I'm sorry. I had to do this. Please water the plants and care for my dog. Moondance, I love you. Make her think that you understand that the writing is needed for comparison purpose, so that to be continued as a suspect.